Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this daily update on Bitcoin. We'll do a full update. Yesterday we got some we got some volatility. I mean, we started off the day with some very nice bullish momentum right here, but that turned very quickly, where we in a matter of hours we went from 31,000 all the way down to under 30,000. So we have volatility right now. You can also, that's also reflected right here in the volume. Volume right now is pretty high, around $23 billion. And today is Friday, and we got some big news coming up. We have the unemployment rate and the non-farm payrolls, which are bound to make the market move. And apart from that, Friday is also the day where most institutions and big market makers close their positions. So that could also cause some more momentum. So that's what we'll talk about in this video, what to expect in terms of price action for Bitcoin. But before we dive into that, if you actually want to receive daily trading signals, as you can see from the top right there, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions on how to join. All right, so now onto the video. So basically, to start off with a brief recap of what I said yesterday as well, and the day before that as well. Personally, I think right now we are consolidating. And I think the moves of yesterday have only confirmed that. Perhaps we still have to get a little bit of confirmation today. But I do still think that's the market structure. So right now we have this amazing support around 29,700. And we have this amazing resistance around 31,400. And we're just consolidating within that area. Now, at some point of time, we're obviously going to get some sort of a breakout. And today there's actually, I don't think today there's a possibility or an opportunity to break above 31,400. So a bullish breakout is still the most likely scenario in my eyes, given all of the fundamentals that are going on right now for Bitcoin and crypto in general. But today there's actually a bigger chance and a bigger risk, I would say, of actually getting some sort of a bearish breakout. So that's also what you saw on the chart. Like I said, Bitcoin is very bullish, but if we actually break down below this 29,700 level, we can actually expect bearish momentum all the way down to 28,800 and 28,700. Now, the big question then is obviously, well, why do you think that's likely? And that's for two reasons. First of all, it's Friday. So usually, not always, but there's a chance that market makers and institutions close their positions, and you can bet that they are long right now. Like all of this movement with all of the volume we got back then, that's not retail getting into the market. That's institutions, market makers getting into long positions, and if they sell their long positions, we're going to drop. So that's a possibility. On this Friday, there's a higher chance that will happen. And apart from that, there's also a little bit of FUD around Binance again. Nothing new, but this is coming from today. Some staff left Binance. So that obviously is also, like, Binance is still by far the biggest exchange. If there's FUD around them, then that's bad news for the entire crypto industry. So that combination leads me to believe that today we actually have a risk of doing this. I still personally do not think it's the most likely scenario. I think it's more likely that today we'll see an unemployment rate that's actually higher than expected, and non-farm payroll is probably going to be lower than expected. So yeah, that in general, I actually, which is bullish for Bitcoin, by the way. So in general, I do think we'll stay in this consolidation and we'll slowly move up towards 31,400. It's just that there's a chance, right? So I just wanted to warn you for that, and give you a bit of an explanation of why that might happen. But for now, this is still my take, my analysis on Bitcoin. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.